Let's see if the fridge trend really works. Okay, let's go. I want to see what's inside my fridge, how it looks whenever it turns off. Because usually I'm trying to see when it turns off.